Exploring the city on foot, understanding walking tours. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating way to explore new places, walking tours. So, what exactly does this phrase mean? And why should you consider one the next time you travel? Let's find out together. A walking tour is a guided exploration that takes place on foot. It's a great way to see the sights at a more relaxed pace, often with a knowledgeable guide who can offer interesting facts and stories about the location. Unlike bus or car tours, walking tours allow you to get up close and personal with the attractions, and they often take you to places that vehicles can't reach. One of the best things about walking tours is that they are immersive. You aren't just observing, you're experiencing. They're also good for your health, combining leisure with exercise. Plus, they tend to be environmentally friendly since they don't involve transportation that emits pollution. Walking tours can vary greatly. There are historical walking tours, which focus on the history of the area. Cultural walking tours might introduce you to local traditions, while food walking tours will delight your taste buds with local culinary treats. There's something for everyone. To make the most out of your walking tour, wear comfortable shoes and dress for the weather. Bring water, a camera, and a small bag for any souvenirs. Most importantly, keep an open mind and be ready to learn and enjoy. I hope you now feel ready to lace up your sneakers for a walking tour on your next trip. It's a wonderful way to engage with your surroundings and create lasting memories. Happy exploring, and see you in the next video.